guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a all-day whole house clean with me, and I have a special announcement. This is also a collab with a bunch of great ladies here on YouTube. I am teaming up with Katie Satilli, Keep Calm and Clean, Jamie Kite, and Style Mom XO. And we are not only collabing and all doing cleaning videos today, so you should definitely go check out their cleaning videos down in the description box, but we're also doing a huge Target gift card, a $300 Target gift card giveaway, you guys. So make sure that you guys go ahead and head over to Instagram, head over to this picture right here, and I'll have all the rules on how you enter. And don't forget to watch the other ladies' videos also. So let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the entertainment center. I'm dusting it, I'm wiping it down, and I do have little Remy there with me. So the product that I like to use when I clean this is my Clean Packs glass cleaner. And I also got that little sign from Emily from Mama from Scratch. She has a little Etsy shop. You guys should definitely go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the glass here and just get all that dust and all of that buildup up. So now I'm picking up shoes from this area. We always end up putting our shoes up here because Remy starts chewing them up. And Isaiah was pitching in and swept the living room for me. So if you guys are over here from any of the ladies' channels, hello, my name is Lindsay, welcome. And if you guys want to check out some of my other videos down in the description box, so you guys can kind of get to know me and hopefully possibly subscribe to my channel, I would love that, and I'd love to have you. So right now I am just using some of my products from Grove Collaborative. I use these non-toxic Mrs. Meyer's products, her dish soap and hand soap and all of that stuff. And I actually have a deal down below in my description for that. If you guys wanted to check it out, you actually get a free offer when you spend $20. It's super cool because it's like over $20 a product. I like to hand wash like the pots and pans and big dishes and put them on my little dish mat there, and then the rest I'll put in the dishwasher. And if you guys are interested in any of the products I have in my house, I do have an Amazon store link below, which I try and put everything in there that we purchase or like or anything like that. So check that out if you are looking for something. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean the microwave, you guys. It was so gross, and I was jamming out to some music. But I went ahead and started cleaning it with these little Clorox wipes just because I was trying to rush through it. I don't usually use these wipes in here, but I've been using these wipes lately. So I started cleaning it with the wipes, and then I put some hot water in there to kind of steam it up because I realized there was some food stuck in there that was just not coming up easy. So I am going to go in with my Women's wipes, and these are for stainless steel, and I use these on all of my appliances. I really like these wipes. I do have to use a paper towel to go over it afterwards just because it leaves a lot of residue, but it just makes it so shiny. I actually have multiple stainless steel products, and I really just like these wipes, so that's what I'm using here. And we are just about done cleaning the kitchen, and so I am going to start sweeping the whole downstairs, and we're gonna mop. And this is our little workout area. I post a lot of workout videos on Insta stories almost every other day. So if you guys are interested in following like a fitness journey or you need some inspiration, I go ahead and post those over on my Insta stories. And yes, we have a lot of dog hair buildup. I'm walking you guys, I'm sweating now, but I'm walking you guys back here to the bathroom so we can get our cleaning on in the bathroom and then head upstairs. So it's kind of hard to film in this bathroom because it is super small, but I try to do the best I can. And so those are all the products that I am using. I am using the anti-bac. I really like this one. I think it's bamboo and it smells really good to me. And then I was using the toilet bowl cleaner from Dollar Tree that I do not like, but that's what I was using. And so that's just what I have right now. And then my husband was peeking over because he was trying to help me. He thought that I wasn't getting like a good footage for you guys. So he was actually trying to help, which was super sweet. But I told him there's not a lot around it. We just kind of have to work with what we got here. So now we're going to go ahead and start some laundry. I probably should have done that earlier, but I'm doing it now because I'm upstairs now. And I'm just throwing a load in. I'm using this non-scent product that we just got by All. And that's something that we've been using the past month because my husband requested it. And then this Downy, I have to use up this Downy. I've actually had it for a very long time, so I had to use this up. So we're going to go ahead and fold some clothes here. This is another task I don't care for. I don't mind cleaning the bathrooms. I love vacuuming. There's a lot I can do, but dishes and laundry are like forever. They're never ending in this house, so I don't care for it. So I kind of just organized my little linen closet real quickly while I put the towels away. So Isaiah ended up bringing some clothes out that he no longer wears anymore or that doesn't fit him. So we're kind of going through those clothes and deciding what we're going to do, if they're worth donating, selling, or trashing. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I'm going to throw this on my Poshmark. It is for boys. It's an extra large in boys. It's just too small for Isaiah, so it still has the tags on it. It's never been worn, not even once. So I do kind of hang my clothes, a lot of my clothes to dry, like t-shirts and leggings and all of that stuff. So I'll hang like the leggings over the door there and then all of the t-shirts just right on my little hook that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is our loft area upstairs and it needed to be dusted. We haven't really even been watching TV in there lately. We go through like bursts. Like sometimes we'll watch TV in there for weeks and then we won't be in there for weeks. And then if you guys do see that desk that we were going to sell on OfferUp, my husband actually requested to keep it. So now he's using it for his hobby use. So another thing that we did change up, since you guys probably seen a cleaning video, is we put the ladder, we moved it in here from the loft. And I really, really love it in our room, you guys. And I have my little pieces of decor and my lucky things and then all of my collection of books. So I was really happy that we came up with this idea and moved it in here. I think it fits really well in our room. And I just like having like something more. It was really kind of bare. I do like simplicity in my room. It just gives me a clear mind, but I think this wasn't too bad. It was kind of cute. So I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Mint multi-surface cleaner, which is another one that I got in spring that I have to use up. So anyway, you guys, I love you guys so much, and please give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and don't forget to check out the other ladies down below in the description box, and head over to Instagram, you guys, and go enter into that giveaway, $300 gift card at Target. So I love you guys. If you're new, subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye.